we are celebrating this lady right here, Miss Polly Jernigan. And she was from Opelika, Alabama. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But she was the grandmother of one of my sweet friends, Caitlin Newman's husband. And she called me one day. She said, Miss Dana, can you meet me at church? Because I have a gift for you. And she gave me this cookbook. Now, Miss Polly has gone on to be with Jesus, but she left a legacy in Alabama of fun, fellowship, food, friends. And I love the things that she wrote as much as I love her recipes, because her basic philosophy was, if there are 2 people, there can be a party. If there are 100 people, there can be a party. But just to celebrate life and people. So thank you, Miss Polly. So today, I thought a really good recipe for us to make would be Crab Louie. How many of y'all remember Crab Louie? It is the most delicious recipe, and it's kind of like a retro recipe now because we're going back to it. But it's easy, it's great for the summer because it's cooling. You can put it in your fridge, make it in the morning, put it in your fridge, and serve it as a cold salad. So what we have is a ½ pound of crab meat, and then you just make your platter and you make your dressing. So the dressing for it is almost a ½ cup of mayonnaise, some chili sauce, some parsley, and I put a little bit of celery leaves in here because you know I love celery leaves, and I just think they add a great flavor to everything. And then we're going to put a teaspoon of lemon juice. You know, if you want to make sure you don't have any seeds, just put it through your fingers. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce is one of our favorite recipes, that are ingredients in recipes, isn't it? And a little bit of horseradish. So that will make it nice and spicy. So you can see it's just a pretty little dressing, and it goes so well. Actually, you can use it as a dip for a crudité platter as well. So we're going to add most of the dressing to our crab meat. We're going to save just a little bit to the side in case people want to use it for their salad part. But you just mix it together really well. Woo, did you hear that? It was spinning. It was rocking and rolling like this recipe. Going back to some of those tried and true recipes. Nico said he likes it too. He's just smiling. I wish y'all could see. Okay, so here you just make kind of a platter with lettuce, and instead of using just boiled eggs, I made some deviled eggs. I put some lemons on it because, you know, lemons and seafood are married. I mean, they're always wonderful together. Some asparagus, some beautiful tomatoes that my friend Tim Kelly brought me from Louisiana, and they're so good. And then I thought it would be pretty, this is actually his tomato too, to put the crab salad in the tomato. And you can use as many tomatoes as you have people. You can cut this tomato up. You can put some on the side as well. Actually, I'm going to put some of this on the side. And then you can just kind of dip what you want from the salad. And then we're going to put just a little bit of this dressing in this cute little container. And serve it on the side. You don't need a whole lot for this. Just save a bite or two in case someone wants to dress their asparagus. So there you go. Miss Polly's Crab Louie. Thank you, Miss Polly, for your legacy for all of us. Bon appetit, y'all. Nico and I want to show you this beautiful ladle that you can get on MissDanasKitchen.com. The Amish make them. You can get them in different types of wood, just like the spatulas that I have. And these are left-handed and right-handed, and my books. So if you are interested, just go to MissDanasKitchen.com and let me know, and I'll be happy to send it to you. Bon appetit, y'all. Say bye. Say bye.
I want you. I want you to.